risk-free rate, right? So risk-free rate is, think from that perspective, is the in the treasury rate in the US, right? Basically, for example, the long-term government bond returns, or short-term if the T-bills return, right? Those are the rates. So why is the government return when we say treasury? Why not we saying the corporate or any other, like Amazon rate, or Tesla, or any other, let's say Apple, right? These are consistent corporate stocks. Why not we saying these are the risk-free rate, right? We call this risk-free rate because these are for sure no default risk. So we know that the government won't default. So that's why we picked those rate. That's the number one reason. Second reason is, even if we reinvest our investment, that return will be the same. So there won't be any reinvestment risk. For example, if you invest in a 6-year rate or 3-year, then invest 3-year rate, you won't your reinvestment, you can able to reinvest without any fear of that you will lose your securities and all. So that's why one of the reason is because government has the ability to print the money, right? So that's the big and they can tax it, the corporate individuals collect the revenue. So that's virtually, if you can think, if these entities are called risk-free, these government entities are risk-free, so that's why we take that. And this is a very base rate, right? So whenever we say the risk-free rate, this means the very, very, very base rate. That's why this rate is so low as well, that these are the rate you definitely will get it. Okay, so let's take some example of the risk-free rate. I have put the link here as well on the US Treasury. So here I am on the US Treasury of Department website. This is the official website of United States government, and here you can see here these are the yield curves, right? This is the current month. Similarly, on your government page, in Canadian government, they have their own rate, right? So what it says there, this is a 1-month rate, 2-month rate, 3-month, and so forth, right? And goes up to the 30 years. And every day this rate is get published. So for example, today is 26th. Today is the 26th of 20 of June. And then for the 1-month rate is 0.12% of 12 basis point, right? 0.15 is the 15 basis point. So basis point is nothing but if you multiply the this by 100, you will get in basis point, right? Otherwise you can call 0.14, and so these are the rates, and depend upon our investment horizon. Maybe I should mention it here. We just pick that rate. If my investment is for, let's say, for 1 month, I'll pick 0.12 as my base risk-free rate, right? But if my investment is very long-term, 10-year, let's say, so I'll pick at the time 0.64, right? I should always pick up the latest rate because these rates do change. If you go back, it has the history as well. So let's go back to 10 years ago, 2010. If I do go, you see 10 years ago, 2010, the rate was way higher, right? It's around 3%, 3.6%. But if I compare to now, it's not even 1% for 10-year rate, right? So this is right. Let me go to the current month. It was beginning of the year, it was 1.88, but now it's drop and 0.64% for this month, right? July. So we should take the latest rate as these rate. Okay. So thanks for watching this, and see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.